Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some sweet honey pork. So this is my pork. This is pork belly. What I did, I just cut it in pieces. So this is what it look like. These are all my seasoning. You have paprika, you have onion powder, you have black pepper, you have everyday seasoning, you have garlic powder, you have salt, you have all-purpose seasoning, and you also have meat seasoning. And this is 1 teaspoonful. So first, I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together. I'm just gonna pour it all over my pork. Just take my hand and just massage it. All that seasoning smells so good. Smell amazing. So my meat is all finished seasoning. So now I'm gonna take you guys to my next step. So this is the next step, guys. So here I have at least 1/4 cup of plain flour, and I also have 2 eggs in this container. So first I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning to my flour. That's 1/2 spoonful. And I'm gonna also add some onion powder. That's 1/2 spoonful. And some garlic powder. That's 1/2 spoonful. And I'm gonna also add some black pepper. That's it. You're just gonna blend it all in. And I'm gonna also add just a pinch of salt, guys. That's it. Just make sure you blend it all in. And my egg, I'm just gonna beat my egg like so. So what I'm gonna do, my pork belly that I have, I'm just gonna take my egg mix and just put it all over it. Because you want your flour to stick, right? So this is why I'm doing this, because we're gonna fry it. So now you're gonna take your pork belly and just put it in your flour like so. So we're gonna do that back and forth. Make sure you have a plate on the side so you can put it in the plate. Almost finished. So finally it is all finished, and this is what it look like. Look at my hands. My hands is so messy. So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I just add some vegetable oil. Just make sure you add enough oil so your pork will fry properly. So now I'm gonna add my pork to the pot, and I'm just gonna allow it to fry until they became brown. That's it. I'm not gonna overfill my pot. So this is what my pork look like. I just turned them not long ago, and this is what it look like. Nice and golden. This is exactly how you want it to be. So now I'm gonna remove it now. So now I'm gonna make my sauce. So here I have a pot, a clean pot, and to my pot I just add at least 1 spoonful of vegetable oil. So now I'm gonna add some ginger and some garlic. And you're just gonna leave it for at least a minute. Then after that, you're gonna add some boiling water. And 1/4 cup of sugar. Some all-purpose seasoning. That's around 1 teaspoonful. And some honey. Then I'm gonna also add some ketchup, not a lot, and some barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna add some Chinese 5 spice. Some black pepper. And some ginger powder. And you're just gonna leave it, guys, until it became very sticky. Then you can add your pork. I'm gonna taste some. Tastes so good. So my sauce is finally finished, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna add my pork. So you're just gonna take your time and just add it to your sauce. That look absolutely delicious. Just pour the sauce all over your fried pork. Smells so good. And you're just gonna leave it for at least 3 to 4 minutes, and then it's ready. So it is finally finished now, guys, and this is what it look like, and I'm telling you, it looking absolutely delicious. Look at that. Look at that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. So this is what my sweet honey pork looks like on the plate. Guys, I'm telling you, it looking so yummy and so delicious. I'm telling you, food make me feel so excited. Food make me feel so happy. I hope you guys feel the same way when you do try this recipe. So I'm serving my sweet honey pork with some vegetable fried rice, and as you can see, I put it into a pineapple. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.